y'all doing, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Aldi haul. I recently purchased some products from them because I've been hearing really good things, so they're so affordable. But before I get into that unboxing, kindly like, subscribe and comment. It really helps my channel grow and I love having you all here with me. So let's get into it. So this is my box. I'm just going to open it. Okay. Oh wow. So it's really neatly packaged and very eco-friendly, mind you. Very little plastic. The only plastic things are these, which are totally reusable, I think. Yeah, these are like little plastic, oh, it's not even sellotape. Very little plastic. So this is all the products I bought. As you can see, there's quite an amount of them there. But yeah, let's go through it. So they recently launched these, which are the Lakura Dream Big bronzer and highlighter thing. So I just thought I would get them to see what they're like. I got a few Lakura products back in the past and they were exact dupes. And I was always like, when other products came out, I was like, oh my god, I really need to get them, but then I never did, and then I was always regretting it. So now I'm like, I'm on it. As soon as Aldi bring out like makeup, I'm on it. So this is the Dream Big Lakura bronzer, and it is supposed to be a dupe for the Benefit. Oh my god, it is. Let's see. Doesn't have a chocolatey smell or anything, but you do get it in a little box with a little mirror, so that's kind of handy, and a really cute little bronzing brush. That is really cute. And that came in at $4.99. Now I will be doing a makeup video on all of these products to see if they're any good or not. But being that it's Aldi and stuff, I'm pretty sure they will be good. And this one is the Lakura Show Up highlighter. And you get 8 grams of this as well for $4.99, so it's quite a good bargain. Again, no real smell to the product, but that's what it looks like. And you get a little plastic case in it, and you also get another little bitty brush. So they're cute. I also got the Too Legit mascara, which is supposed to be a dupe for the Benefit They're Real, which I have had and I loved it, so we'll see if this is just as good, which I'm kind of interested to find out if it is. I also got the liquid eyeliner. Apparently this is a dupe for the MAC liquid eyeliner, which I have and I love, so I'll definitely be checking these two out to see if they are actual dupes, because I love me a dupe. I also got the brow pencil in a medium. This is it, I think. Yeah, I have all these. Yeah, so it's the dual brow pencil in medium, because I heard from the reviews online they were saying that the medium was actually dark enough, so I was like, okay, fair enough. And then I got the corresponding gel in, again, medium. Brow gel in medium. And I also got the gel eyeliner. This is just kind of like a gel eyeliner pencil. I don't really know too much about it, but again, I just got it in generic black. And I also got this eyeshadow palette. Here's this one right here. It looks so pretty. When I was looking at them online, everybody had like really good things to say about them. So I was like, okay, let me try this. And it was only $5.99. And these are supposed to be dupes for the Urban Decay, what were they called? You know, the Urban Decay ones, I can't remember what they're called, but it's a dupe for one of them. Ooh, it looks nice. So that's what it looks like. And then we get, ooh, pretty. And we've also got a little double-ended brush there as well, so that's cute. Look forward to using that. I am getting Charlotte Tilbury vibes from that, but yeah, we'll see. See how it looks. I just wanted to come on real quick and show you them because I got really excited when it came out. I was like, oh, my Aldi order arrived. It was so nice. So yeah. Until next time, folks, I shall love you and leave you. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I would love to hear your thoughts on these fabulous Aldi products that I've just got. Talk to you soon. Bye. Mwah.